Hey everyone, today I'm here to talk to you about our project Lucidity. The problem that Lucidity is trying to tackle is the problem of public procurement and public project corruption, right, which leads to an estimated $1.3 trillion of misused funds every year. A lot of this is due to lengthy bidding periods that lead to more opportunities for bribery or price collusion, as well as how little room there is for public opinion on how the funds are used, as well as their management. Over here, we've broken down the public project process into 4 parts: the planning phase, bid evaluation, and implementation and monitoring. Most notably, there are 2 common issues that lead to corruption. The first is bribery, and the second is a mismanagement of funds. And here I've listed 2 examples. What we are offering to bring to the table is a public project bidding and funds management platform built on the blockchain Ethereum. We have 2 main focus areas from this hackathon. The first was in bidding, where we wanted to make sure bids were anonymized and permanent to make it harder to collude or change prices. The second focus area was implementation and monitoring, where we use milestones that can be made fairly complex and combined into unions or split into sub-milestones and allow for more granular monitoring of funds use. Think something like covenants. Right now, milestones are reported on through oracles, which can be an auditor or a group of auditors, but in the future we want to be able to use IoT sensors as well. Here you can see the basic flow of our project, and next I'm going to move into our tech demo. For this example, we're going to submit through here. So I'm going to submit a new project as a project owner. Now I'm going to become a bidder, and I'm going to see the milestones that were entered and price it myself. After this has been sent in, the owner can pull up all of the bidder proposals and click on the one that they think best matches their budget. And after this, they can start the funding period. So now that will send everything to a textile IPFS thread DB for us to pull later on in this demo. I'm going to connect to the project. Here, the project data is pulled from the IPFS server. If I'm the funder, I can choose to fund it for 500 DAI, let's say. And this will give me an NFT token, basically saying I funded it. And we'll see here my balance is now 9,500. So as an auditor, I can see what the targets are. And I can set a milestone using Gnosis conditional tokens. And once it goes into there, it's now managed in the escrow contract. All right. And if a milestone is met, I can confirm milestone was met. And now as a bidder, I can redeem the payout from that milestone. And I can see my funds here. Ultimately here, we're also using the graph to track all new projects and all new funders. So I can see the project as well as fund data here. So for the rest of the year, we're planning on adding account authentication, a scored auction that's more transparent, the ability to choose the milestone you fund based on risk tolerance, as well as data tied from real sensors or public voting into milestone reporting.